Oh, pardon. Where's get it? Hey,
Anthony, call security.
what gives you the right? How dare you interfere in my family?
It's okay, Anthony. Put the phone down. You must be the adoptive mother.
I am Kyle's mom, Gwen Rice.
Okay, well, if you hadn't noticed, this is the office of the district attorney, not a family law firm.
Oh, unless you're Carla and John Darling, which means this is a free legal aid clinic.
I am not helping them.
I met with them.
I met them as a favor, which I seem to be doing for you.
You met with them.
I recommended lawyers. That is it.
That's not what I was told.
Then you were told wrong. And I'm happy to recommend some to you as well. I'm sorry for your troubles, Mrs. Rice, but I have no stake in this.
Oh, you do now. They filed for custody this morning, and I find it very hard to believe that this is just a coincidence. The day that it happened, after they met with you.
On what grounds are they challenging custody?
My attorneys are meeting about it now, and I'm just waiting for a call to hear that everything's all right, and my phone is not ringing.
Listen to me. As far as I know, they cannot challenge custody after 1 year, and Kyle is 5, right?
Yeah, in a couple of weeks.
Okay, so given the time frame, they have no case. I know, it feels like the most expensive gamble in the world.
It's not a gamble.
Look, the case will be thrown out as long as there's no basis for a dispute.